Hey everyone, so I'm here to do an unboxing of our monthly subscription for July. So I'll go ahead and open it. And so if you follow me over on Instagram, you have seen that I recently changed our monthly subscription name to The Monthly Edit. And on the card on the back, I explain why I made the change and how it's just a way to refresh your planner and planner supplies every month. So this month's theme for July is Gone Girl. So the reason why I call it Gone Girl is an inside joke between my husband and I. He always jokes around that when I'm like fed up with everyone, I'm just gonna be Gone Girl. But I thought it was a cute theme for July since it's all about vacation and like travel. So if you subscribe to our full monthly subscription, you get our monthly edit plus the sticker kit. So here's the monthly edit, which is this pack in here, and then the mystery item down below, plus our monthly sticker kit. So this is for the full combo. So here's this little kit, our sticker kit, and this is the mystery item, which is a planner supplies pouch. First, let me show you what is in here. Okay, so first in this kit here, there's a few items in here. So first you have this card. So I always include a journaling card, and this one says, "Life is an adventure, where are you going?" And I thought that was just kind of a good reminder. It goes along with the vacation and travel theme, but also just where are we going with our lives? What are we doing? Are we having fun? Are we doing the things we want to do, the things we love to do, spending time with our loved ones, going after the things that we want in life? So I thought this was a cute little reminder, and I actually stuck mine right in the front of my planner here. Used a clip to just put it right on top of my dashboard. I trimmed it down a little bit. On the back of this card, I made it like a postcard design just to go along with the theme again, and you could just write yourself a little note. And then as always, you get a calendar card. So this one's for July. For mine, I don't actually put it in my planner. I trim it down and I put it right on top of my laptop. So I have this mini calendar to reference really quickly while I'm working. And then you get a sticker sheet. This month I'm trying something different. These are quote or text labels, different sizes, just all having to do with vacation and travel. So I thought that was cute. One way that I use this is actually in my June calendar, even though this is our July kit. Here I just put vacation because obviously my daughters are off school now and we're starting their summer vacation, so I just put that there, just like a nice little touch. And then lastly is this vellum. You may have noticed that there's only one sticker sheet and one vellum. Usually there's two sticker sheets and two vellums, but because our mystery item, I invested a little bit more in that product, then I just decided to do one sticker sheet and one vellum. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. But this is a map, and this map is actually of New York, and I thought it was so pretty. I was looking at tons of different maps, and this one just looked best for layering. This is how I use mine actually. My daily section is day on one page, so like this is the next day. So to kind of cover that, I put the vellum there, and I did that last month as well. So I thought that's really pretty to keep the vibe of the month, and I see it every day right here when I'm looking at my daily spread. I thought that's super cute. So yeah, that is that little packet of items that's part of the monthly edit. The other thing that's part of the monthly edit is the mystery item, but I'll show you that last. I'm going to show you the sticker kit first. So this is the full sticker kit, and this is on white paper. Our kits come on white sticker paper, like a premium white sticker paper, or matte transparent paper. So first of all, you get this little sampler. And so if you noticed last month, if you're a subscriber, you got 2 samplers. It just depends on what holidays or what's going on for that month. So this month is just one for 4th of July, and just a few little stickers here that you can use if you celebrate. And then here's the main sticker kit. Like I said, it's called Gone Girl. And I changed up sheet A little bit. From some customer feedback, I decided to try doing less icons, a little bit more deco, and a little bit bigger, so that way this deco can kind of pop a little bit more on your planner pages. So yeah, you have the icons. You have one for 4th of July. It's a little like sparkler firework thing. And then you have some icons for like vacation or travel. And then here you have some headers, a hand lettered month sticker, all the deco. And then here on the bottom you have 2 thin strips, which I like to use for marking off a series of days on my monthly spread. And then sheet B are your full boxes. So you have 8 full boxes. These widths fit in the Hobonichi Cousin, just FYI. The backgrounds of these boxes is that map background from the vellum. And then just a bunch of images for vacation and travel. And then some this week headers and mini flags. Here's sheet C, so it's just a selection of quarter boxes, half boxes, checklists, 2 tone labels, and some more of our icons. And then sheet D is on washi sticker paper, and these are all just washi strips. And the pattern of these are like little suitcases, a luggage tag, coffee, a little geotag, just repeated across the washi strip. So I thought that was really cute. So that's if you get any of our monthly subscriptions that have the full sticker kit. But if you subscribe to our monthly subscription that has the mini sticker kit, then you basically get the same sampler sheet plus sheet A, and then you get sheet E, which is like a combination of the other sheets in the full kit. So you get some full boxes, quarter boxes, half boxes, 2 tone labels, and mini flags. So this is the mini sticker kit. So any of our subs, we have 5 subs, any of the subs that have the mini sticker kit, this is what you're getting. And then I wanted to show you guys, I mainly use the sticker kit in my Hobonichi Cousin. So let me show you how the monthly looks. So I used a full box, a header, some of the icons, and the washi along the bottom. And then for my weekly spreads, so I just set up July, that's why nothing's filled out here, but I do the sidebars and any holidays. So here's this sidebar, and I'm using mainly the stickers from sheet B and C. And then here's some stickers from that little 4th of July sampler sheet. Here's the sidebar for the 2nd week of July, the 3rd week, here's the 4th week, and the last week going into August. So that's how I like to use the sticker kit, and as I go through July, I'll add more stickers. And then lastly, I wanted to show you the planner supplies pouch. So first I'll show you how it looks empty. Here's how it looks on the sides. The zipper closure. So this is the reason why I chose this pouch, because once you fill it up, you can see this on the side, then it stands up pretty much on its own. And I thought this was perfect for travel. I do tons of road trips, and this is so handy to have with me to bring all my planner supplies. And then I have this little like mobile desk here with all my stuff. So let me show you guys how I set mine up. So here's mine. I have it pretty stuffed. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. And it does stand up on its own here. So let me take this out. So this is my sticker file with all my stickers in it. I keep my most used stickers right in my planner, but these are the extra stickers I like to have on me. And then let's see, I have some note paper here in this little slip pocket. I have my favorite Tombow dual tips, a ruler, my favorite washi, and it fits like perfectly here. I also tried putting like other supplies down here because it's like a little space here with a little ledge so you can put other things in here. And then in these pockets, I just put a scissors, tweezers, a mini cutter, my pen and pencil combo, my eraser, an extra pen refill. You don't want to be traveling and run out of ink. And then my correction tape. My sticker file fits perfectly here. And so when I'm traveling and I go to my in-laws' house, we often stay there, then I can just put this out on the table and have my little portable desk right with me. And then I wanted to show you guys a shake test because what if these things all fall out all over the place? Of course, it depends on what you keep in here. My sticker file is probably holding a lot of things in place, but even with a lot of movement when you're traveling, everything stays in place. So yeah, I love this a lot. I hope you guys like it too. I thought it'd be super handy. It fits the theme of travel and vacation, and I thought it was just a good idea, especially during the summer months when a lot of people are doing things over summer break. So spots for this sub have closed. This sub actually just shipped out the end of May, but any extras from this sub will be listed in our shop on Friday, June 7th at 12 noon Pacific. Unfortunately, we sold out of our planner supplies pouch, so that's the benefit of signing up for a monthly subscription. You're guaranteed to get the new items, but it's not always guaranteed that we'll have enough of the new items to make it to the shop. So if you don't want to miss out, then I would recommend signing up. But we do have plenty of the sticker kits, vellum, and planner cards and stickers. Spots for our August themed monthly subscription are now open on the website. I'll link everything below. Those subs will close the end of day on June 14th and then ship out the last week of June. So yeah, make sure you subscribe before the 14th if you haven't already. If you have any questions about our subs, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.